Hello everyone. In this video I'll explain how the banking industry works. Banking is the activity of receiving funds from the masses and providing them to certain classes as loans and investments in return for interest income. The difference between the funding and the lending is known as banking income. How do banks get funding? Banks can take deposits such as savings, fixed and recurring deposits, current accounts, and issue instruments such as bonds and certificates of deposits. Banks take funding, that is deposits, from the general public and issue investable instruments such as bonds and CODs. How do banks make money? These funds are lent to individuals in the form of housing loans, auto loans, personal loans, etc., and to the institutions in the form of corporate loans and such other lending. And the difference between the rate of interest at which bank raise funds and the rate of which bank lease funds is known as net interest income or bank's profit. This way, banks can make amazing returns if they are able to raise funds in the cheapest form and issue the said funds at the highest rate of interest. And the cheapest form of funding for a bank is through CASA, known as current account savings account rate. Because in regards to the savings account, the bank's interest expenses are very minimal, and in regards to current accounts, the bank's interest expenses are nil. It is generally understood that a higher CASA ratio leads to a higher net interest margin. This way, with high CASA funding and high interest lending, the bank's net interest income and profit will flourish. And CASA funding is determined by banks' goodwill, reputation, marketing, and other skills through which they attract individuals to park their money in the bank. What if banks' lending goes bad? If a bank lends money to an individual or an institution, and if the same amount goes down, they default. Such amounts are termed as non-performing assets or NPA. Hence, banks are mandated to arrive at NPA figures in advance and keep provisions in this regard for safety. SLR and CRR as provisions. The statutory liquidity ratio, popularly called SLR, is the minimum percentage of deposits that a commercial bank maintains in gold, cash, and other securities with the RBI. And cash reserve ratio is minimum percentage of cash required to be kept with themselves in reserves as against the bank's total deposit. How is the bank's funding sufficiency decided? In order to decide whether a bank is sufficiently funded, we use capital adequacy ratio. Here, the RBI has mandated banks to maintain a certain level of cash position with respect to their risky funding. Hence, the CAR is defined by the health of banks' balance sheets, the NPA figures, and the economy in general. That's banking industry in 3 minutes. Thank you for watching.